Meet Jim, a dedicated technician with a simple mission: to make his customers happy and their homes dry. But he battles against a rising tide, and it's not just the water in this basement. Jim's boss is always on his case, not about the quality of Jim's work in the field, but about the paperwork. Yes, the dreaded paperwork, made worse by a job management system that feels more ancient than the homes Jim works to restore. Stuck in 2 feet of water, Jim wonders where to click next. It shouldn't be this hard to do his job well. 90% of restorers are in the field 90% of the time. This is why at Albi, we believe software should make work easier, not more difficult. We understand that if your techs don't understand it, they won't use it. And if they don't use it, you get no value from it. Albi is the first restoration industry app designed with a mobile-first mindset, ensuring technicians like Jim can focus on what they do best, restoring lives, while Bob has all of the documentation he needs to run his business and get paid on time. Imagine having the power of 5 apps, all in the palm of your hand, while standing in 2 feet of water helping Mrs. Jones at 2 a.m. That's the reality that Albi's created. With Albi, Jim manages dry logs effortlessly, snaps and uploads photos in seconds, accesses job information instantly, and communicates with ease, all from the field, all from his phone. We know what you're thinking. Switching your job management software is a pain. However, at Albi, our implementation process focuses on building buy-in at every company level, from Jim the technician to Bob the owner, because you deserve software that actually makes field documentation easier. Getting started with Albi is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Schedule a demo. 2. Join forces with our white glove implementation team. 3. Empower your team with the right tools so you can achieve your goals. With Albi, Jim's paperwork is spot on, and his boss, Bob, couldn't be happier. They're in sync, the business is booming, and most importantly, they're restoring more than just homes. They're rebuilding lives. Avoid the constant frustration that comes from outdated solutions. Choose Albi and bridge the gap between field and office seamlessly. Join the revolution. Switch to Albi today and turn high waters into high fives. Schedule a demo today to decide if Albi is the right fit for your business.